I thought that it would, but I've been getting my steps in, and I sleep with my best friend. It's the best that it has been in a long time. I'm living my best life. Sometimes this sucks to tell the truth, and I took it hard like people do. But I'm learning how to eat the fruit that is in season. Never thought I'd be a grown-ass man. But you know what they say, a best laid plans. Now I'm holding on to my...
Hey guys, today's post is me kind of working through this bare hip shift variation. I love rotation, and sometimes when we do a lot of thoracic rotation drills, our hips tend to go along for the ride. Maybe we jet them out to the side. This is really taking the pelvis out of it and isolating that movement to the shoulder, or in the rib cage. So when I'm thinking about taking that left hip shift, I like to imagine kind of suctioning the leg into the hip socket, and I'm going to take this. This is actually extremely difficult, and I can feel my left abs like on fire because I know that my pelvis is a little bit more forward on that side. I might find, or you might find, that holding that right hip shift maybe feels a little bit easier, and I'm going to take that left arm out to the side, and maybe I feel like I have a little bit more range on that side as I inhale, exhale, come down. So this is something for you to play with. Obviously, if you're a little bit more advanced, you just hold the hip shift and go to the side. I can't do that. But give it a shot. So we're thinking about isolating that rotation to the rib cage, which is a key thing I incorporate in all my programming.
Most hip mobility exercises typically